So you're just getting ready to turn 65 and you want to know, how do you pay for your Medicare Part B? You've heard that it's going to be approximately $170 a month. That will be based on your actual income from 2 years prior, so it could be more than 170. But you heard that the average person, and it's like 90% of people in the country, pay $170 a month in 2022. So when I sign up online for Medicare, it's going to start the first day of the month that I turn 65. If you want it, how do I pay? So if you're already on Social Security and you've been on Social Security or railroad retirement benefits for at least 4 months, you're already in their system, then when you sign up for Medicare, you don't have to do anything. They will just grab it out of your Social Security, that $170 a month. And I have people that don't realize that they're paying for Medicare. They assume Medicare Part B is free, but they're confused why their Social Security check went down, okay? They're taking it out of Social Security to pay Medicare, the left hand and the right hand. Now, if you're not already on Social Security and you don't want to be on Social Security, some people are going to continue to work, but they don't want their health insurance at work. They're going to forestall their Social Security. They're going to put that off way down the road. You're going to have to sign up and pay for your Medicare Part B. Now, Medicare doesn't want you to write them a check every month. Clearly, that's going to be cumbersome. So they want you to go ahead and pay 4 months up front, which at $170 a month, that can be a chunk out of your monthly budget, right? Or you can sign up for Medicare Easy Pay, where it'll automatically take it out of your checking or savings account, which I highly recommend. The thing you got to remember though, with the government, once you ask them to do something, they don't just do it. It could take them 3 or 4 months to start their Easy Pay too. So make sure you leave enough money in your checking or savings account for when they finally come. And it's probably going to take about 3 months. They're finally going to come for that money. And it's the same thing if you ever want to stop it. If you ever say, I don't want them taking money out of my checking or savings account anymore. Now that I'm on Social Security, I want it to come out of my Social Security. It could still take 3 or 4 months to get them to stop taking out of your checking account. And it could take 3 or 4 months to get them to start taking out of your Social Security. And a lot of you all like to blame this on the agent. Like you call the Medicare Family and you're mad. I'm not the government. I can't speed them up. I can't make them more efficient, and I can't make them nicer. Because if I would do that. Definitely. I'd make them a little bit less rude. I have some nice people I work with. But you got to understand that it could take a while to start. It could take a while to stop. And that you do pay for Medicare Part B. Now, you might have heard of a friend that says, I don't pay for Medicare Part B. That is true. There are people that qualify to have their Medicare Part B paid for by their state. They are eligible based on need, based on low income. So it's based on your income and your assets. And you very well might have part or all of your Medicare Part B paid for. The majority of people are paying for Medicare Part B. They'll pay every month for the rest of their life. And that does go up every year. It goes up every January. If you have more questions about Medicare Part B or about signing up for Medicare, give us a call at the Medicare Family. We will walk you through it. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.